Hey everyone, you wanna build a website but code sounds like, well, code. WordPress is here to save the day. We are going to explore it into three main steps. Number one, WordPress in a byte, which is what is WordPress. Number two ways to use WordPress, in which we will look into the difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org. Number three, which one's right for you, WordPress.com or WordPress.org? Let's start with what is WordPress. WordPress in a byte. WordPress is a CMS. CMS stands for Content Management System, which is free and super easy way to create websites, no coding skills required. Number two ways to use WordPress. So what is WordPress.com and WordPress.org? The difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org is that WordPress.com totally free. They handle everything, but you have less customization like training wheels for your website. And WordPress.org, you are the boss. More control, fancier features, but you gotta find your own hosting like an apartment for your website. Which one's right for you? WordPress.com or WordPress.org? Number one, simple blog or website if you want to create, start with WordPress.com's free plan. Number two, want more control and customization, WordPress.org. Self-hosted is your jam. Ready to get your website? Get cured from finestbee.com. Here's our WhatsApp number, you can contact on this too. Thanks for watching.